This is kind of a little extemporaneous visit to an old power plant. This power plant is typical of so many industrial enterprises throughout America, where someone had a good idea and it succeeded for a while and then it failed. The idiom of all of this is Dagny Taggart's visit in Atlas Shrugged to the Universal Motors factory, where in the ruin of a factory similar to this, there was the Universal Motor, which was going to solve all of society's problems. The question is there in an old building like this somewhere in America the Universal Motor, and politics and economics and all the other pressures have left the solution to our problems sitting there in a dusty floor? Possibly so. Traveling around in a little airplane or an automobile, one sees that many villages had the big enterprise that was built at the turn of the century, and people took pride in those buildings. There's gargoyles on the rain gutter, there's artwork and architecture where nobody would ever see it, and it indicates that there was a pride and an expectation of some sort of a lasting infrastructure there. And now it's all wreckage. And whether it's a woolen mill in Maine or a power plant in Colorado or an assembly plant in Detroit, there are factories, there are places where people put their heart and their soul and their money and their efforts and their dreams into it, and now they're simply wrecks. There's stories behind all of them. The story behind this one is this power plant ran several counties in Colorado before they were connected with the grid, and as the grid expanded and it was no longer an independent power plant, the electricity was certainly more expensive than at big power plants. But with something like this, there was kind of